d cube minus d square plus 4d minus 4 whole into y is equal to sine hyperbolic 2x plus 3. Sine hyperbolic 2x plus 3. This is the type 1. Type 1 means it will be, you have to write in the form of e power ax. So here they are already given in the form of differential operator. Write the auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is m cube minus m square plus 4m minus 4 is equal to 0. In the first two, we can take out m square as a common. So remaining will be m minus 1 plus. In the third and fourth, we can take 4 as a common. So we get 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. So we get m square plus 4 into m minus 1 is equal to 0. So m square plus 4 is equal to 0. Here m minus 1 is equal to 0. So m is equal to plus or minus 2i. Again here m is equal to 1. Now we have to write the complementary function. This is the case 1 and this is case 3, complex pair. So case 1 means c1 e power x plus case 3 c2 q value is 2 here, c2 cos 2x plus c3 sin 2x. Here p value don't have, so write e power 0x. E power 0x is 1. Next yp. Yp, what they have given in the RHS, sine hyperbolic 2x plus 3 divided by d cube minus d square plus 4d plus 4. Now we have to write the formula for sine hyperbolic. I write here sine hyperbolic x is equal to e power x minus e power minus x divided by 2. Whereas cos hyperbolic is e power x plus e power minus x divided by 2. Now we have here sine hyperbolic. So I use 1 by 2 I will write outside. So here e power in the place of x we have 2x plus 3. So e power 2x plus 3 minus e power minus of 2x plus 3 divided by differential operator, that is d cube minus d square plus 4d minus 4 plus 4d minus 4. Now in the first one I write here 1 by 2. Here I split e power 2x plus 3 divided by d cube minus d square plus 4d minus 4. Again minus of e power minus of 2x plus 3 divided by d cube minus d square plus 4d minus 4. So in the first term, what is our a value? Here we have a value is equal to 2. So 2 cube means I write first 2 cube minus 2 square 4 into 2 minus 4 minus I write in the down here in the second one what is our a value. In this one what is our a value? 2 whole cube minus of minus 2 whole square plus 4 into minus 2 minus 4. close the bracket. 1 by 2 into e power 2x plus 3 divided by 8 minus 4. So here we get 4. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. Minus e power minus of 2x plus 3 divided by minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12. Again minus 12 means minus 24. So 1 by 2 into I take here 24 as the LCM. 24 as the LCM. Here we get 3 into e power 2x plus 3. Here minus into minus, here it will become plus e power minus of 2x plus 3. So final answer 1 divided by 48 into e power 3 into e power 2x plus 3 plus e power minus of 2x plus 3. Final y is equal to yc plus yp. So our yc is c1 e power x. This step yc plus yp. Here e power 0 is 1. So plus yp is 1 by 48 into 3 e power 2x plus 3 plus e power minus of 2x plus 3. Here in the next problem they have given d power 4 x divided by dt power 4 plus 4x is equal to cos hyperbolic t. In this question what they have given, in the place of y they have mentioned x and in the place of x they have given t. So we have to write the differential operator. How we have to write here d power 4 plus 4 whole into x is equal to cos hyperbolic t. Here we can write where capital D is equal to d by dt. Now for this we have to write the auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is m power 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. So for this m power 4 plus 4, I just add and subtract 4m square. I just add and subtract 4m square. So here this it will be in the form of a plus b whole square. A value is m square, b value is 2. So I write a value is m square plus b value is 2 whole square minus 4m square I will write as it is. Now this will be in the form a square minus b square. A square minus b square means here m square plus 2 b square means here one more line if you want you can write 2m whole square is equal to 0. Now it is easy for us to write in the form of a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. So here m square plus 2 plus 2m, one more m square plus 2 minus 2m. Here also we got the two roots. So here actually we have to get 4. Now we will see the next method. Here first I write m square plus 2m plus 2 is equal to 0. Here m square minus 2m plus 2 is equal to 0. For this I apply quadratic equation formula, that is minus 2 plus or minus b square means 4 minus 4 into a into c. 4 2s are 8 divided by 2. Here also m is equal to minus b. So our b value here minus 2. So here I just write a value is 1 B value is 2, C value is 2. Here also first I write A value 1, B value minus 2, C value is 2. So I write M is equal to minus into minus plus 2 plus or minus root of B square means minus 2 whole square means 4 minus again 4 2s are 8 divided by 2. Now M is equal to minus 2 plus or minus of minus 4 divided by 2. Next, M is equal to 2 plus or minus of minus 4 divided by 2. M is equal to minus 2 minus root of minus 4i is 2i divided by 2. Here also 2 plus or minus root of minus 4i is 2i, because minus we can write in the form of I square. So root 4 is 2, I square root is I. So we got M is equal to minus 1 plus or minus I. Take out 2 as a common. Here also take out 2 as a common, 2 will get cancelled, remaining will be 1 plus or minus I. Now in terms of x they have given, we have to write xc is equal to first root. Here c1 cos t plus c2 sin t. Here p value they have given minus 1, so e power minus t plus c3 cos t plus c4 sin t into e power t. Here also p value is 1, so we get e power t. Now xp means particular integral. Cos hyperbolic t divided by d power 4 plus 4. As I already wrote in the previous question, cos hyperbolic t means 1 by 2 into e power t plus e power minus t divided by d power 4 plus 4. I just split this individually, so it will be easier for us to substitute. E power t divided by d power 4 plus 4 plus e power minus t divided by d power 4 plus 4. Now 1 by 2 into e power t. In the first one, what is our a value? E power 4 means 1 power 4 is 1 plus 4. In the second one, what is our a value? Minus 1 whole power 4 plus 4. Here if you want, you can write 1 power 4. Now 1 by 2 into e power t, 1 plus 4 is 5. Here also e power minus t, minus 1 whole power 4. Always the term with the minus whole power even number is always will positive. So again 1 plus 4 is 5. So I write this 1 by 5 outside. I take this 2 inside, that is e power 2 plus e power minus t divided by 2. So this is the formula of cos hyperbolic t. So I can write here cos hyperbolic t 1 by 5 into cos hyperbolic t. Therefore x is equal to xc plus xp. So xc means c1 cos t plus c2 sin t e power minus t plus c3 cos t plus c4 sin t into e power t, I write down, plus 1 by 5 into cos hyperbolic t. 1 by 5 into cos hyperbolic t. Here y divided by dx square minus 4y is equal to cos hyperbolic of 2x minus 1 plus 3 power x. 3 power x. This is the question paper problem. Now First, we have to write in the form of differential operator. So let us write here d square minus 4 whole into y is equal to cos hyperbolic of 2x minus 1 plus 3 power x. Next, auxiliary equation. In terms of m, we have to write. So m square minus 4 is equal to 0. It is in the form a square minus b square. So m minus 2 into m plus 2 is equal to 0. So m minus 2 is equal to 0. Again m plus 2 is equal to 0. M is equal to 2 and here m is equal to minus 2. So this both comes in the case 1. Both are different. So yc is equal to c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power minus 2x. Next, come back for the yp. Yp means RHS cos hyperbolic 2x minus 1 plus 3 power x divided by d square minus 4. D square minus 4. Now, I just split this one in the form of formula. What is that formula? 1 by 2 into e power 2x minus 1 divided by d square minus 4 plus e power minus 2x minus 1 divided by d square minus 4. So the last term, how we have to write in the form of e power log x, because e power log x is 3. Sorry, e power log x, here I will write e power log x is x. So in terms of 3 means e power log 3 whole power x divided by d square minus 4. Now I just write 1 by 2 into this one. I will write p1 plus p2 close the bracket. Last term I just mentioned in terms of p3. Now p1 is equal to e power 2x minus 1 divided by d square minus 4. What is our a value in the first one? A value is 2. So e power 2x divided by, here you can write here a is equal to 2. So here 2 square minus 4. We have the condition when the denominator becomes 0. When the denominator becomes 0, first we have to write x, then into numerator e power 2x minus 1, then differentiation of the denominator. D square means 2d. D square means 2d. Now, again, I write x by 2 outside. So 1 by d, the reciprocal of the differentiation is integration. So I write integration of e power 2x minus 1 into dx. Y means the reciprocal of differentiation is integration. So here I write x by 2. Here I write x by 2. Next, integration of e power 2x is e power 2x minus 1 divided by 2. So here yes. Now here we can write x into e power 2x minus 1 divided by 2 into 2, 4. So this is the value of the P1. Next we write for the P2. E power minus of 2x minus 1 divided by d square minus 4. Here what is our a value in the P2? Here equal to minus 2. So e power minus of 2x minus 1 Here also minus 2 whole square minus 4. Minus 2 whole square is plus 4 minus 4. So again denominator we get is 0. So x into e power minus of 2x minus 1 divided by differentiation of the denominator, that is 2d. So x by 2 integration of e power minus 2x minus 1 into dx, that is x by 2 e power minus 2x minus 1 divided by minus 2, because integration of minus 2x plus 1 is, again we have to write only minus 2. So next come back for the P3. P3 is e power log x. So e power log x, log 3 into x divided by d square minus 4. Here our a value is log 3. Our a value is log 3. So log 3 whole square minus 4. So we can write e power log 3 is 3. So 3 power x divided by log 3 whole square minus 4. Log 3 whole square minus 4. Therefore, y is equal to yc plus yp. So here yc means c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power minus 2x. Yp. So 1 by 2 into p1 means x into e power 2x minus 1 divided by 4 into 2 is 8. Next, again here also minus is there. I put minus because here we got minus in the denominator. Again 1 by 8 x into e power minus of 2x minus 1 divided by 4 2s are 8 denominator, plus e power 3x divided by log 3 whole square minus 4. Log 3 whole square minus 4. Instead of y, they have given x triple dash of t minus 8x of t is equal to 1 minus e power t whole square. So here also we have to write first in the terms of differential operator, that is d cube minus 8 whole into x of t is equal to, here it is in the form a minus b whole square. So 1 plus e power t whole square means e power 2t minus 2 into e power t. Here we can write where d is equal to d by dt. Now auxiliary equation is m cube minus 8 is equal to 0. That means m cube minus 2 cube is equal to 0. It is in the form a cube minus b cube. What is the formula? A minus b into a square plus ab means 2 into m plus b square means 4 is equal to 0. I write using a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is the formula. Now first is m minus 2 is equal to 0. Second is m square plus 2m plus 4 is equal to 0. Here m is equal to 2. Here again we have to use a quadratic equation. M is equal to minus 2 plus or minus b square means 2 square means 4 minus 4 4 the 16 divided by 2. M is equal to 2. again m is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of minus 12 divided by 2. So minus 2 plus or minus root 12 means 2 root 3. Root 12 is 2 root 3. So minus 1 we can write as a I square. So here 2 root 3 I divided by 2. So take out 2 as a common from the numerator. Both will get cancelled. Remaining will be minus 1 plus or minus root 3 I. Now here in the form of x they have given, we have to write xc is equal to, this is the case 1 and this is the case 3. So here c1 e power 2x plus again c2 q value is root 3. So cos root 3x plus c3 sine root 3, sorry here I have to write t, make it as a t, sine root 3t into e power minus t because p value is minus 1. Now xp is equal to, first you write this term 1 plus e power 2t minus 2 into e power t divided by d cube minus 8. So split individually, 1 divided by d cube minus 8 plus e power 2t divided by d cube minus 8 minus 2 into e power t divided by d cube minus 8. Here nothing is there means we can write e power 0t because e power 0 is 1. So what is the a value in the first term?
0.
Yes, very good. So here it becomes 1 divided by 0 cube minus 8 plus in the second one e power 2t, a value is 2. So 2 cube minus 8. So here denominator becomes 0 because 8 minus 8. Here 2 into e power t. Again here a value is 1. So 1 cube minus 8. So 1 divided by minus 8 plus here denominator is 0. So with respect to t we are doing means write t first, then e power 2t, differentiation of this term 3d square minus 2 into e power t divided by minus 7. So again minus 1 by 8 plus t into e power 2t. Again here we can write in the place of d we can substitute a. So 4 3s are 12. So I write 3 into 2 square minus into minus plus e power t divided by 7. Either you can do the integration or you can do the substitution for this denominator d. Only in terms of a substitution, not in every method. For d you can directly substitute only in the type 1. We can directly substitute d is equal to a. So here minus 1 by 8 plus t into e power 2t divided by 12 plus 2 by 7 into e power t. Therefore x is equal to xc plus xp. So xc is c1 e power 2t plus c2 cos root 3t plus c3 sin root 3t into e power minus t plus xp minus 1 by 8 plus t into e power 2t divided by 12 plus 2 by 7 into e power t.